In this video, I'm going to show you how to journal trades on TraderSync. So as you can see in here, I don't have a trades yet in here. So on the left side, click the double arrow, which is the trades, and then click the add trades on the upper right corner and start to add a trade in here. You can choose the manually trade or the import trades or the other one. And once it's done, just click the save button and that's it. You've successfully added a trade on your journal. So back from the journal, on the left side, just click the journal and then in here you can now input a description of your trade and then a trade setup and then market conditions, emotion and mindset, mistakes and lessons. You can also input a pictures in here or image and a chart analysis for future reference. And then once you're done, just simply click the save button and then that's it. That's how you journal trades on TraderSync. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.